Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way of installing Windows 11 on Oracle VirtualBox. So guys, let's start the video. Guys, first of all, you need to install Oracle VirtualBox on your system. I have already created separate video. The link is in description box. You can follow that video for installing Oracle VirtualBox. Now I'm going to show you step-by-step installation of Windows 11 on Oracle VirtualBox. Do follow video till end guys if you want to install Windows 11 properly on your Oracle VirtualBox. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Windows 11 ISO. And herein guys, you can see the official website of Microsoft. You need to simply click on this download Windows 11. It will redirect you to this website, download Windows 11. You can just scroll down. Here we have so many options. You need to just scroll down and you need to go to this option, download Windows 11 disk image, that is ISO. And then guys, here you need to select this option, Windows 11 multi-edition ISO, and click on this button. So guys, it will validate and it will show you this option. Select the product language. Here you need to select English, United States, and click on confirm button. Again, it will validate your request, and then guys, it will show you this page every time it validates your request. Now here it's showing download Windows 11 English, and here we have 64-bit download button. So just click on this button. So guys, you can see at the top my download of ISO has been started. It will take a while guys because the file size is around 5.6 GB. So it is going to take. I've just fast forwarded my video, and guys, here you can see the download of this ISO is done. Let me just click on this folder option just to show you the location. So here you can see my ISO file has been downloaded in downloads folder, and here is my Windows 11 ISO. So now guys, I'm going to just start my Oracle VirtualBox. So before that guys, let me close all this. So here guys, in search box, I'm simply searching for Oracle VirtualBox, and here you can see my VirtualBox has been started. I've already created so many VMs in my Oracle VirtualBox. Now I'm going to create for Windows. So for that, just click on this new button, and herein guys, you provide the name. Just remember, do not give space while giving name to this VM. So here I have given name as Windows 11, and after that this is the location where your VirtualBox will be created, and then here we need to browse the ISO image. So here in drop down just select other and browse the location where you have downloaded your ISO file. So we have in download folder, so I'm just selecting that folder. And then guys, now make sure that is unattended installation is check mark. And then guys, here now let's go to this part, unattended installation, and here there is a default user VB user. So we need to just change the username. Whatever username you want to give, you can give. I'm giving CS Corner and provide the password for that user. And guys, here you can see host name is coming by default. So everything is perfect guys. Now we will be giving RAM memory to this. So in hardware, now let's provide the RAM memory. So around 4 GB of memory you can provide to this Windows, so it will work properly. So here I'm giving 4 GB of memory, and 2 to 4 processor you can provide, even more processor depending on the processor available on your system. So it checks your physical configuration, it shows you number of processor. So here I'm giving this many processor. And now guys, here we need to give the hard disk space. So I'm giving hard disk as around 100 GB. So here this is done. Now I'm going to click on finish button. So guys, now my this VM is ready. We need to just start it. So just click on this arrow or start button. So it is starting this Oracle VirtualBox and showing this press any key to boot from CD or DVD. So you need to just hit enter over here, and as soon as you hit enter guys, it will start installing your Windows 11. So here is the screen, it's showing me, it is asking me product key. So here I'm going to select I don't have any product key and just select that option. So it will start installing your Windows 11. So guys, this is going to take a long time. It's a long procedure, around 40 or minutes or 1 hour procedure it is entirely. So done guys, my installation is done. I have fast forwarded my video, and now here you can see everything is installed, and now it is getting ready. So here it's showing me all these messages. So it's showing me that do not turn off your PC, that means do not turn off your VirtualBox. So guys, you can see my Windows has been installed. Okay, so here we can see the desktop of Windows 11. Now guys, I'm just right clicking and I'm just showing you the display setting property. So under this display setting, you can see the resolution part is disabled. So I won't be able to increase size of the screen. So for that we have to do one setting. So here you can see I'm not able to increase the size. Even if I go to view menu, if I go to full screen mode also, then also I'm not able to see my full screen of Windows. So for that you need to do one setting. So guys, now you need to go to this devices menu and you need to select this option, insert cached addition CD image. Okay, so just click on this, and after that you can go to file explorer, and in that you can go to this PC. And herein guys, in this PC you can see we have this option. So guys, in this PC you need to just click on this option, CD drive virtual cached addition. Just click on this, and in this go to this particular application. So guys, here you need to go to this option, VB Box Windows Edition ARM64. So you can just select this option, and then guys you can just click next over here, and here you need to again click next and click on install button. So it will install the stuff required for your Windows 11, and after that guys it is asking us to reboot. Yes, just click on the finish button. Herein guys you can see my window has restarted, and now I'm going to this display setting option, and you can see we have this display resolution option. So now we can increase the size. So now guys, if you want to go to full screen mode, you can just go to this view menu and click on this full screen option, and here you can see we are getting full screen. Okay, so guys, now our installation of Windows 11 on Oracle VirtualBox is done successfully. So guys, here I'm just trying to show you that my virtual machine is working properly. So I'm just going to Explorer, I'm just starting my Edge, and I'm starting Google page. So everything is working perfectly guys. Internet is also working. So guys, this way you need to install Windows 11 on your Oracle VirtualBox. So multiple operating system you can install, or multiple virtual machines you can create in Oracle VirtualBox. So guys, that's all. I conclude my video. I hope by following my video you are able to install Windows 11 on your Oracle VirtualBox. So guys, if you find any difficulty or if you have any comment, you can write in comment box or send me on Instagram. And guys, if you really like my video, do hit on like button, and guys, share my videos to your friend as much as possible. Guys, I'm having my website where I provide lots of tutorial. The link is in description box. You can certainly visit my website. And guys, I'm there on different social media. All my social media handler I have given in description box. You can join or follow me there also. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. For creating such kind of video, it takes lots of time and lots of effort. I hope you really understand that. So guys, if you really like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take